Hello, in this video we'll be creating Google Forms. We'll be creating a very fast and nice Google Form for beginners. So, or you go into your Google Form app or you search for it and then you go in, log in, sign in. There are already made templates you can pick from. If it's for registration, party invites, contract, blah blah, you pick in your preferred template or you create from scratch. Or you create from scratch. So we'll just be editing an already created template. So we'll use this contact information. You already know what Google Forms are used for. You can use them to get informations or send ID. You can use them for survey, etc. So I want this to be fast. Let's say let's edit first. Okay, let's finish creating the form and then we'll edit. Name. Email. So now this is something that is important that you should know. We are asking them for their full name, eh? So their answer is just supposed to be their first name and their last name, probably their middle name, their first name, their middle name, and their last name. So we come here, we select the type of answer we want from them. Is it a short answer? Is it a paragraph? That is long paragraphs. Is it paragraph? Is it like history they are going to tell us? If it's something that is much, the reply is going to be like much. Maybe we ask them to explain blah blah blah. So we use paragraph. But since it's just their name, so it's a short answer we are using. Okay. And here, this required. Now if you turn it on, it means it's required. They have to answer this. It's a compulsory question. Yeah. So but if you turn it off, then they can submit without filling in the answer for this question. But if it's something that is essential, you turn it on because it is required. Also, if you have maybe dropped a message, ask a question like what is victory to you? What is victory to you? Now you see, I've written what is victory to you, but I do not want them to define victory for me. I want them to tell me what victory is to them. So I'll use the description button. So this is a space for me to describe my question, to explain my question, so they'll know the exact answer I require of them. So you see, so if I ask a question, but I still want to explain the question so they will know the exact answer I require from them, you come right here, more options, and then there's the description there, and then they will enter what we've asked them. So their address. If you also want to explain to them, you want to add photo to your question, this is it. You add image, this is it. Import here, if it's receiver. Another thing again I want us to explore is here now. Okay, let me ask another question. What you come here now, rate our service. They are supposed to rate our service. This is not, we do not require a short answer from them, we do not require a long answer from them. This is rating. I want them to rate how good our service is. So here now you get to feeling, you decide how you want them to, you see. So we go with this now. To undo. Yeah. So if we've asked a question where we want multiple choice for them to pick one answer, here, phone number. One, other one. So this could be their phone number, this or this. So if this is their phone number, they click. If it is this, they click. If it is this, they click. If the number is not here, if the answer is not in the list, they click on others. Okay. Comments. Check boxes now. You know what check boxes are used for now? If okay. Comments. So here now, it allows a person to choose multiple answers. Let's see a review. We'll see a review of our question, but before then, let's do the final touches. So I don't want this heading. I want to change this image. So we come here. I don't want that image. I want something else. So here are images they suggest for us. These are images they suggest for us to pick from. Work, illusion. You can explore them yourself. If you have a personal image, you upload. Yeah. If you want, well, you know where your file is, yeah? So you pick from there. So we'll just use this. We've changed it. You see it here with blue. But let's say we are still not satisfied with this blue. We want something else. We'll change the color. This is what we want. Now background. This white is too it's too white. Let's change the background to our preferred color. Take this. See ma? So the same thing too, you can also play with your phone too, Biko. Header. Biko. You can change. Image. See ba? Questions now. In the header we've changed it to. So I would prefer. The questions don't come. This is impact. See you change the questions. You can also change the size of your font and all of that. So shall you find all you need to design your form here when you come to the team. And so let's see what our form looks like. When you send out this form, this is what people would see. You see? So rate our service. Let's rate it for. You see? Phone number, you do where it goes. But here now, comment, checkbox, so sure. Here they type, here they type. So you publish it before you send, please. Okay, let's just do it together. And publish the form. Now, who can view? Anyone with the link. Yours might not be at anyone with the link. Click on it and change it from restricted or private to anyone with. See, you see restricted, Abby? I'm changing it to anyone with the link so they can access it and fill it. Sorry, editor. It's only responders. Anyone with the link can respond to it. So, done. Publish it. This is our link. We can shorten it. Copy, and then you share. Anyone with the link can access the form, fill the form, and then you get the responses when you come here. Whatever response you get for the form, you can link it to sheet, so it will compile all the answers, all the responses in the sheet, in your Google Sheet for you. We'll talk more about that later, but this is the advanced class. We'll talk more about that in the advanced class. So this is the beginner's class, and you will just find your responses here, or send them to the sheet, and then you get the list of your responses compiled automatically in your Google Sheets. So here, after they fill up the form, you come here and choose presentation. We'll look more about this later.